Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss about some practical problem on union and intersection. First problem is this is it in a group of 950 persons, 750 can speak Hindi and 460 can speak English. Find how many can speak Hindi, both Hindi and English, and how many can speak Hindi only and how many can speak English only. অর্থাৎ এটা গ্ৰুপৰ 950 জন পাৰ্চন আছে, তাৰ ভিতৰত 750 জনে হিন্দী ক'ব পাৰে, 460 জনে ইংৰাজী ক'ব পাৰে। প্ৰশ্নটো সুধিছে যে কিমান জনে হিন্দী আৰু ইংৰাজী দুয়োবিধ ক'ব পাৰে আৰু কিমান জনে অকল হিন্দী ক'ব পাৰে আৰু কিমান জনে অকল ইংৰাজী ক'ব পাৰে। গতিকে ইয়াত আমি দুটা সেট ধৰিম। প্ৰথমতে এটা সেট ধৰিছোঁ এ সেটটো এনেকৈ ধৰিছোঁ আমি A be the set of people who speak Hindi and be the set of people who speak English. এনেকৈ আমি সেট দুটা ধৰি ল'লোঁ। ইয়াতে যিহেতু আমাৰ হিন্দী আৰু ইংলিছ বুলি কোৱা পিপুল আছে ইয়াতে, গতিকে ইয়াত কি হ'ব, হিয়াৰ এন এ মিনছ নাম্বাৰ অফ পিপুল হু স্পীক হিন্দী। ইয়াত দেখা পাইছোঁ আমি 750 জনে হিন্দী ক'ব পাৰে, গতিকে এন এ মানে হ'ব 750। এন বি ইয়াতে কিমান হ'ব যে ইংৰাজী কিমান জনে ক'ব পাৰে। ইয়াত দেখা গৈছে যে 460 জন 460 কেন স্পীক হিন্দী, তাৰমানে 460 জনে ক'ব পাৰে, গতিকে 460। ইয়াত টোটেল ষ্টুডেণ্ট আছে 950, ইয়াত কিবা ইংৰাজী বা হিন্দী কিবা এটা ক'ব পাৰে, গতিকে ইয়াতে হ'ব এন এ ইউনিয়ন বি ইজ ইকুৱেল টু হ'ব 950। We have to find out how many can speak both Hindi and English. Therefore, N A intersection B we have to find out. It is prashnamulok. How many can speak Hindi only? This is N A minus B. We have to find out. How many can speak English only? কিমান জন অকল ইংৰাজী ক'ব পাৰে, এইটো আমি লিখিম A B minus. But first the formula আমি পাইছোঁ, we have N A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection. Here we put the value. N union B means 950, NA 750, NB 460, NA intersection B. This implies if this is NA intersection B will plus 0 1 minus 950 minus করিলে 0 6 11 minus 5 60 260. Therefore, how many students can speak both Hindi? Therefore, we have got the 260 students can speak both Hindi and English. Next question is second. Remember, how many students can speak Hindi only? That is N A minus B. It is N A minus N A intersection B. Therefore, we get N A. What is N A? 750, 260. This is 0, 15, 6, 9 and 4. 490 students can speak Hindi only. Third, this is N B minus A. It is NB minus N A intersection B. N A intersection NB, that is 460 minus 260, therefore it is 200. Therefore number of students speak English only 200. This is the first problem, and I now discuss second problem about this. This is, in a survey of 60 students, it is found that 150 students drink tea, 225 students drink coffee, and 100 students drink both tea and coffee. How many students drink neither tea nor coffee? This is the problem. Here you see that though there are 600 students, যদিও ইয়াত 600জন ষ্টুডেণ্ট আছে, ইয়াত এনেকুৱা ষ্টুডেণ্টো আছে যিজনে চাহ বা কফি একো নাখায়। গতিকে ইট ইজ উই টেকেন এজ এন ইউনিভাৰ্চেল 600. 150, if we take drink tea, it is A be the set of students who drink tea. Therefore NA means 150. Coffee, if we take is as B, then NB is equal to 225. 100 students drink both tea and coffee. Therefore NA intersection B is equal to 100. Here you see that NA union B is not here, so we have to find out NA union B. We have NA union, it is NA plus NB minus NA intersection. NA 150, NB 225, or NA intersection B, this is 100. There we get 375 minus 100 is equal to 270. Therefore number of students, this is number of students, therefore number of students drink either tea or coffee is equal to 7. So number of people drink neither tea nor coffee is equal to NU minus NA union B. NU means total number of students, total number of people here. (600) minus 275. This is 320. Therefore next, in a survey of 60 people, it is seen that 25 people read newspaper H, 26 people read newspaper T, 26 people read newspaper I, 9 people read both H and I, 11 people read both H and T, 8 people read both T and I, 3 people read H, T and I. How many people read at least one newspaper, and how many people read only one newspaper? We shall prove it with the help of Venn diagram. By Venn diagram. Here we have to take 3 sets like this. This is H newspaper, T newspaper, I newspaper. This is the common portion of both the three newspaper. This is the common portion. So we have to write three people here. Next, this is the common portion of H and T. H আৰু T বাতৰি কাকত উভয় বাতৰি কাকত মানুহৰ সংখ্যা ইয়াত লিখিব। ইয়াত তিনিজন ইতিমধ্যে লেখা গৈছে। H আৰু T কিমানজন আছে আমাৰ 11 people with both H and T। ইয়াত 3 লিখা হৈছে, ইয়াত 8 লিখিলে হ'ব। গতিকে here we have to write 8 plus 3 11। This is the common portion of intersection, that is common portion of T and I. 8 people read T and I, 3 is there, therefore 5 will be there. H and I, 9 people with both H and I, therefore this is portion H and I, therefore 3 is here, so 6 is there. Now you have to fill this portion. In the H there are, in a 60 people, 25 people is what is. This is all together will be 25. Already there are 8, 3, 11, 6, 7, 17, 25. Your 8 will be there. In the T, it is 26. Altogether we'll have to 26. Here 8, 3, 11, 11, 5, 16, 10 will be there. Here also 26. It is 69, 14 is there. We have to put 12. We have to put 12 there. 14 is there. We have to put 12 there. Now, how many people at least one is there? Number of people read at least one newspaper. We have to add all the three numbers. 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 12. Here is 8, 8, 16, 26, 32, 35, 40, 52. Number of people read at least one newspaper. How many people is only one newspaper? Number of people read only H. Only H, this person. 8 there. Number of people read only T. T is this is there. Number of people read only I. This is only 12. Therefore 22, 30. Therefore number of people read only one newspaper. Only one newspaper is equal to 30. This is number of people read at least no, number of people read only one newspaper is, this is 30. This is all about the sum problem. Next class I shall discuss about Cartesian product of two sets.